Manual knife sharpener. The manual knife sharpener plays an important role in deburring, polishing, and fine polishing. This knife sharpener, with its unique grinding head design, can effectively remove the burrs on the edges and surfaces of metal parts, making the dimensions of the parts more accurate. The surface of the parts polished by it is smooth, which is not only beneficial to subsequent processing but also can prevent rust. Fine polishing can reduce the surface roughness of the parts, meeting the requirements of high precision. It's easy to operate and new users can get the hang of it easily. It is applicable in various fields such as mechanical processing and electronic parts manufacturing.